Now the senior brother for the television station when they inside Obodo the world was Obia TV on top Star Times channel 195, and this now the #1 program as it get to do with to the talk politics when concern Obodo Nigeria. Ezugu Chukudi Anunkumi the Chukman for all the matter, and we don't also through our phone lines, so we'll make yourself call to contribute for this matter so that those when the matter concern go take the necessary action. We go from Yola, enter inside Abuja, take this call from Oga Samuel. Oga Samuel, we dey hail you.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Samuel.
Uncle, good morning.
Good morning.
I want to contribute for the program.
Okay.
Oga, ask any juju where they come out for night, maybe better juju. Because why I talk any juju where they come for night, maybe better juju. If they come for midnight, how they think go be the time. And another one I want to ask, ask Nkudi, you and your wife live for many years. Now, outside the country, you say your wife gets belly.
Oh.
Oga Samuel, I mean they give all this proverb.
Answer the question.
If you not tell us for here, I can't tell us, we can't hear them for outside, they get us a deal.
Okay.
Check him, you are my man, no?
No, of course, I know.
Oga Samuel, thank you very, very much. You don't talk well. See, Unkubi, you know my wait, Unkubi. No, Unkubi, you know my grounds.
Hold on.
No, that verse one the verse that time.
No, based on that, I won't warn you on this program. No ever they give me count. And I also won't warn you secondly. And then they discuss matter, and I get the floor because they go break. No ever try and say it won't go any break. If I never finish that talk, I don't they warn you.
But if you talk if you no go carry anything come out at the end of the day.
What do you mean no go carry anything come out? What do you mean the meaning of that one?
This talk where they talk now, 11:59 for midnight.
So I know when I mean 11:59, I not talk say 11:59. I talk say if 11:59 never knock, nobody fit just come and talk say yes, Oga President no try. See they promise.
Nobody they talk about no try.
Oga Ijabari, good morning.
Yeah, calling from Warrior.
Yes, good morning.
Please, I not get many words to talk for this matter.
Okay.
The matter when I get to talk with you, like waiting Chuko to talk saying, additional see before September ending. That means they don't fail first. If they fail before September ending, they don't fail. And two, Nigeria don't pass the era of analog. With the digital era, make them give this thing, or if them like they keep them under their cupboards. Life will still move forward. So then I wait till me get to talk for the matter.
Thank you very much, Oga Jabari, for that contribution. Every Nigerian, from the voices of every Nigerian, just like say, hey, Oga Muhammad Buhari, you give us a particular month. If we never see him from 1st to 29th, waiting be that we won't come see. Say make no be say you dey try fall our hand. Now waiting most Nigerians way from the callers where we don't see. But me, I still talk and say, see we still get the last day and make we still see what will happen today. Oga Ugochukwu, they call us from Okota. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Ugochukwu.
Nkubi, how are you there?
Are they fine?
They greet Chukwudi.
Oga Ugochukwu, I respect you. Good morning.
Thank you. I've been they listen to our conversation all this while, but trying to get you on the line has been a problem.
At least thank God say don't get us now.
Yes, I want to contribute join waiting on the talk now.
Okay.
Because when I get to talk, we say since May 29, but even before May 29, where then the campaign, they never prepare, say they go get list for ministers. Okay, they can't win up till now. They never remember or articulate themselves proper, say Nigeria send ministers, because Buhari no go do all these things alone. Okay, this is last day of September where they promise us. And up till now, we have not gotten anything to show, say they're ready. We are not begging them to produce these ministers, but it is the right of Nigerians to know how they will be governed. Because now we take our time, go vote for them. And we are demanding that they should be able to give us these ministers so that the administration go there successful. Because there's a lot of Nigerians, a lot of things are going wrong in this country. So what I'm saying now is that if after today we don't say anything, say minister, so then it means APC and the Buhari government, they don't fail. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Oga Ugochukwu, for that contribution.
You see, Nkubi, the question now be say, see, make we dey talk true. As Nigerians, we must continue to dey demand for. We know one situation where we say people go put us for tight corner. It will come be like say, if something no happen, this other one no go happen. Why? Why we gonna get this kind of situation?
I don't hear you. But before I go react to this one, before I go allow you talk further, make we collect this call from Omi. Omi, they call us from Lokoja. Good morning, Ogomi.
Oga Nkubi, good morning.
Good morning.
Oga Chukwudi, good morning.
Oga Omi, I dey greet you, sir.
Oga Chukwudi rapụ ndị amaghị ya na-eme.
Ele ndo ọma ha na-eme. Ogomi, gwa yo ka
Nkubi, you tell us. You people tell us that it was September, and from the 1st September, you will be expecting you people.
But we still there for the month of September.
You didn't. We are still in the month of September. Even now, what's it by the time? It's almost to 11. We never see the minister. Now, which time the thing won't come out? Look, it don't be like that. Chukwudi, they ask you so. Monkey and dog go enter inside because the monkey and enter inside. Now we say we don't the draw back. I beg go make una know what una go do. I'm gonna give us before 12 o'clock.
Okay.
12 o'clock this morning, you know, be that night to 11:55 where they thought midnight.
Okay. Ogo, analam ge. We don't hear you.
Because we
don't hear you, Ogomi. Thank you very much.
You see, Nigerians are demanding. Nigerians are calling. Nigerians are asking. Nigerians are pleading.
Hold on now.
Nigerians are begging.
You don't do now. I don't hear you. Nigerians are demanding.
Nigerians are soliciting.
Oga Jaffe, make credit no bond. Oga Jaffe, good morning, Jerry.
Hello, Uncle. Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Jaffe.
Chukwudi.
Oga Jaffe, good morning, sir.
Now you be the person where would they hear? Forget about these people.
Oga Jaffe,
they are mago. I'm a first caller in this.
Oh, you're welcome.
Yes. See, Chukwudi, they hear me?
I hear you, Oga Jaffe.
I beg. Make you forget about these people. This they are mago, especially waiting Obiora talk. Obiora say these people can never be trusted. But let's wait and watch what is going to happen. They say 11:55 or 11:59. By then, everybody must have gone to sleep, isn't it? Then we hear it tomorrow. And tomorrow is 1st October. That means they have failed. I don't think they will announce it that time. I don't think. And this they are mago. They don't mago us too much. I beg, make we not mind them. And they see, if you people want to hear this thing, in fact, I want everybody, let everybody know that giving ministerial posts to any, let them take their ministerial posts. We don't want any ministerial posts. Don't say that I'm controversial. I don't care. Let them take their ministerial posts.
Oga Jaffe, thank you very much for this point.
Thank you.
But we go like emphasize, say Nigeria belongs to everybody.
Everybody.
We get people of different ethnic background. We get people of different religion differences. But as all of us be one people under the same mother Nigeria, now all of us go join our hand together to move this our country forward. So the Igbo man get a role to play. The Yoruba man, Hausa, Fulani, Kanuri, TV, any place where you come from Nigeria, you get your role to play. Even if you know the government directly, by saying the truth, we go move this our country forward. Austin calling us from Isolo. Oga Austin, good morning, sir.
Chukwudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Austin.
Unkubi. Una don't start this mago.
Oga Austin, now waiting. I do.
Allow him to talk. Allow him.
First of all, I go talk say may God bless Wazobia TV.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
But I said that this Wazobia TV na the only democracy where we get.
Now,
so we go to shook our mouth to talk our own. Make una they talk on our own.
Exactly.
They talk through so that the Nigeria go better.
Okay.
Somebody make one statement this morning. Be like say no Gagaba. If they ask Chukwudi, say wetin concern Chukwudi, a Nigerian. If they ask them wetin concern them for ministerial list, where them promise us by September, it is very clear we are not children. Today na 29. Today na 30th. Sorry.
and it is very clear the list can come out. Today, people don't come out, we never see the list. So if it go come out tomorrow, no be September again. So I want ask for somebody to ask to put the waiting consign now. Now be say that person be like say he get another thing for mind.
Oga,
but
thank
I
you
want
very
believe say
much.
wetin Oga Gaba dey try talk be say as long as today never pass, say at least make Chukwudi still relax.
Nkubi, the question
As long as today never pass.
Nkubi, the question be say, as
Chukwudi,
Nigerians...
before you go ask that question, Oga Kunle from Kaduna, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Oga Kunle, they call us back, they hear you.
Yes, so Oga Chukwudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Kunle.
Yeah, the issue say, you know what, this one I ended the call child play. It's just like child play, understand now? That you tell your child that, don't worry, I'll give you this thing, understand now? I'll give you this thing, I'll give you this thing, you understand me? And did not give your child that thing, the child will not respect you again. Next time, if you tell the child you are giving you this, they won't believe you, understand now? So, enough of all this thing they are doing, understand now? Do you know what? Are they going to use a computer to select minister or to screen person and no person that will be corrupt or that will not be corrupt? Understand now? Is it not based on trust? So, and again, do you know what? This thing, understand now, is beyond what people are saying, understand now? Maybe I believe there's some forces underground, understand now, that did not allow them to release.
Monkey hands, that's what you try mean?
Understand now? Yes, I'm sure, understand now. But whatever, if they like, they should release the list. If they like, they should hold it. Understand now? Nigeria will continue. Nigeria will move forward. Understand now? Because this is not the type of change we are expecting from them. Understand now? Do you know what? Nigeria is big. Understand now? We have many ministries, many parastatals. Understand that we have some people that will handle them. Understand now? So that things can move forward. If you notice what is happening in Nigeria now, many people are complaining. Hardship. There's no money and people think that they're expensive. Understand now? Understand, many common people understand now, in fact they are suffering. Every day we hear comment from people. Understand now? So we know what people are passing through. Go round, understand now, mingle with people, see what is happening, understand now.
Oga Kunle, thank you very much. You don't finish Nkubi. Nkubi, you are finished already. Nigerians, see, you cannot fight Nigerians. You can see the whole of Nigeria with one voice. Now everybody take the demand. What is the demand for? Promise where you promise us, make we see am. That is say we go open our news, we go dey see say Oga President talk say they go pursue Boko Haram in 3 months. And na foreign media dey report am.
I will react, but may I just calm down? I will react. Sally, they call us, me. Finish. Oga Sally, good morning. Oga Sally, they hear you, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, talk to us, they hear.
Uncle V, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Sally.
Chukwudi, good morning.
Oga Sally, I greet you. Good morning, sir.
How una dey for there?
They fine.
I dey enjoy una.
Thank you. Chukpa, they hear.
Okay. So, Chukwudi.
I better reduce the volume of your television.
What I want to tell you be say, take am easy. What you could be they tell you say you never bad. What you could be they tell you say you never bad. Come see them. We still get more hours now. We could they watch them. We could see how they want to do it. Before we start they blame them. We could wait till tomorrow. If you not see the list, that time we will blame them. You understand? We could take everything easy. The 6 years of Jonathan way pass, you not do anything, nobody complain. But this one now, they take and say 3 months, but they not do anything. They not see change. Nigeria not be family house. Nigeria na big country, more than 250 million people. And so we should take it easy. Where would they hurry? Where would they hurry they go? What they don't spoil, it was very difficult to repair. Now small. This one will talk go here. This one will talk go here. We'll take everything easy. We will look at if they don't break, we'll not see anything. Then we'll accuse them. Say, well, now waste time like this. That's how everybody will get what you will take government. Okay. And people just they talk like say if they give them power, they will feel rule this country. It's not that easy. For 6 years, we will not see anything. Me now for 2 weeks for worry, I know they get light. But for over they go 3 weeks now. Every day they see light now. Why it not happen before?
And people just bring different type of opinions where we say they are always in hurry. Where would the hurry they go?
Oga Saliu, in fact, thank you very much for your contribution. Chukwudi, don't hear Oga Saliu. And I will state, anyway, from my own opinion, as long as the working hour never pass, yes, we still get hope, say the list will come out. We get Oga Prince from Owerri. Good morning, Oga Prince. Oga Prince, good morning.
Oga Prince, you did here? Hey, Oga Prince.
So, Chukwudi, I was going to say something, but before I will talk that thing, this will be the first and the last time when caller go call, contribute on issue when me and you they discuss. When me
and you they discuss. When you get your point. When I get my point. When they support my point.
When they don't finish me. When I know say very well say nobody refer any statement to me. Rather they refer based on they talk based on what we put for ground. This will be the last time we go. And this will be the last time we go ever look me if you tell me say you go steal me newspaper. Because if you did, look, I will steal you something to a past newspaper. I will steal you something to a past newspaper.
You won't steal me yourself.
Don't worry.
No, you won't steal me yourself.
All that things where they are not the way they fist on you. Since they are not fist on you.
See, I don't already talk. I'm saying I need protection. Oga
Polycarp, good morning, Ojare, all the way from Enugu. Oga Polycarp, welcome back on As It Is Hot.
Thank you, my brother. Good morning, Kobe.
Good morning.
Good morning, Chibode.
Oga Polycarp, good morning, sir.
First of all, this man that comes from Wale, his name is Saliu. You don't know what he's talking about. The government has overstretched our patience. And we are not out at the last week. So they continue stretching. We want the result. That is what we are looking for. You not keep on telling us 12 midnight is or something. What does 12 midnight do with us? Even a little bit I heard from one radio station in Enugu that was talking this morning that the president is saying he will keep the oil minister with himself and appoint a general minister so to help to run the decision. Because I was been among the people who formed the NNPC far back, and then also was once the minister of PTDF, or whatever you call it. That is no reason why he should keep that into himself. You don't want to do like Obasanjo again. But tired of Obasanjo's tricks and him don't follow it now. So a little bit. We want that post as soon as possible. You should not even play with us. This is what we do Nigerians. We cannot play with our intelligence. One person cannot be more wiser than the whole 150 Nigerians, 150 million Nigerians. Okay, second, like yesterday, people are talking about this black issue. I thought I couldn't get the line, but what I want to chip in is when this man from Ali.
Oga Polycarp, Nkubi, the terrestrial forces. Your forces holding the network. We go make I go this break, come back. Holy water, and then we go use.
You don't start again.
Now still As It Is Hot, the senior brother of all the television program when they inside Obodo, Nigeria. Because when they talk am say all the things wey concern us as Nigerians, now we dey drop here, now we dey talk, and we dey allow you to chook mouth for inside the matter, so that those when the matter concern, even though he pepper them, they go take the necessary action. We get Oga Joseph all the way from Minna for Niger State. Oga Joseph, good morning, sir.
Oga Chukwudi, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Oga Joseph.
Oga Nkubi, morning, sir.
Good morning. Yeah, you right on.
Yes, sir. As it is hot, me I want to talk my own, make it hot too.
Okay.
But I will start with Oga Kubi. Oga Kubi, this is a plan. No, you know rhyme. No rhyme at all. No rhyme. Number one, be saber. We no go wait till midnight before na tell us wetin we want to know. No before midnight, night savior dey come.
At least before working hour go expire.
And now they tell you so. So, Oga Chukwudi, you good. Because me, I like your style. I like the way you take push the thing, go front. You understand? Because we no go dey wait. Now when we go dey sleep, like they go tell us say, see how they go take on save us. I see how they go take on kill us. If na kill they want kill us, I mean I say if they want save us. So they supposed to can we be say everybody there on alert. Make we know wetin dey happen. Maybe say we go come dey hear am for tori. So this one wey they talk say midnight this, midnight that. That one no be rhyme at all. That one no be excuse. say they don't know what to do. We go understand. We go know. We go Ghana. Everybody go cool down. But not be say they tell us say time still day. Which time day? How we take know? So as all these things they now, if they know say they never ready, make they talk say they never ready. Simple. Don't be say they will tell us say till midnight. Make we cool down.
Oga
like that.
I mean, Oga Joseph, rather. I don't make you misunderstand by this thing. I say as long as today never go finish. As long as they will still get from now till 11:59. Say anything still fit happen from now till that time. You understand? So make no get me wrong. Say 11:59, 11:59. I understand your point.
Why give us permutation? Now Baba Jebu will they play. Everything can happen before 11:59. Make we give them time. Make we wait from September 1. Go reach 10. Go reach 20. Go reach 25. Even 29.
Joseph still the line.
Oga to be they hear me so.
Are they here?
Which are they try tell you say be favor? No be when we go dey sleep or when everybody go down reach where they go. Now they go come they tell us say
they don't release
list to as the situation they happen. They suppose yarn us now where we say we dey on alert. They expect.
Oga Joseph.
Because now everybody they expect this thing.
Oga Joseph, thank you very much for your contribution. And also know Nigerians they do it. Nigerians don't hear your own view the same way they don't react to Ram. We get Oga Sam. Oga Sam from Ikotu. Good morning, Oga Sam. Oga Sam, good morning.
Good morning, Ezego Chukudi.
Oga Sam, we dey greet you, sir.
Good morning, Ukubi.
Good morning, sir.
Ukubi.
Sir.
In your inner heart of heart, you are against what is happening. But to defend APC, you are saying what you are saying. But let me tell you the whole truth.
Okay.
Now that you understand, the biggest victim of what Buhari is doing now is Professor Oshibajo and APC sponsors. Those who invested in APC, they are now dumbfounded that the man called Buhari single-handed policy of this country. That is to say, he's doing whatever he likes now. He has dumped all the intellectual people who made him possible to become president of this country. He has left the ideas. They cannot even predict him any longer. Buhari is a single man who is now being autocratic under democratic dispensation to rule his country. If he cannot publish the name of ministers now, that means even October 2nd, don't expect it. Because the man Buhari is taking this country for granted. And that's what is taking him, that will make him make a costly mistake because he's buying ideas for foreign powers that cannot minister this country. And by this extract, the country is deeply into problem and crisis. Those who invested in PDP, I mean in APC, they are regretting right now because they cannot predict him now, whom they give the mandate under the flag of APC. Then who else to trust him? The masses says they want change. But now for this day, we have not got changes. And we're saying that level 59 is an idea to bring ministers list. It is a complete lie. Buhari is taking country for granted. And I pray for him. May he not meet his Waterloo. Because people are grieved of what's happening. Let him give us peaceful government so everybody can have peace of mind. In your heart, you know what God is doing that is wrong. But as a member of APC, they were saying you are defending what's not defendable. Yes, people talking ethnically. We are not for ethnic points again. We want good governance. And in doing that,
Augusta, you come with fire today.
You are sweating.
Who is sweating?
Unkubi, you are sweating.
Who is sweating?
Make the camera show your
thank
face.
you.
Make
Who
the
is
camera show your face.
You
are under pressure.
You are under pressure.
Nigerians are speaking.
You are under pressure.
You are under pressure.
You are under pressure.
Make we take Oga Obi from Aba to add to your pressure. Oga Obi, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Oga Obi, I like your voice. Now Unkubi, face am.
Good morning. Nkubi chere biko. Wait, Nkubi.
Are they here?
Nkubi, wait.
Are they here?
Look, what are they telling you? Say, what are they telling you? Say, no, this ministerial list, whether they come out by 11:59 or not, what we are telling you is that they have failed. They have failed. How can you give us ministerial list by 11:59?
I don't talk saying 11:59. You may not get me right, oh. I say we still get from now to 11:59.
How can we? when we detonate, when we detonate, when we vet those things, the real list we want is that the ones the Senate has already vetted and give us they approve. When are they going to approve it for us to know that this is our ministers? For how many months? We'll be waiting for the next year too. We will ask us to take it easy. How can we take it easy in a country that many people are dying? We cannot take that. People is right.
Obi, good. Thank you. In fact, I want to say good morning. Thank you very, very, very much for that contribution. And that is Yusuf, follow that same fire where Oga Sam take come. Yusuf, enter that same fire. We get Igabari. Igabari, they call us from Warri. Good morning, Igabari.
Good morning. I don't come back again. I don't take call before. Oga Okubi, you won't they rule this country. Me, I don't understand. You first tell us when you first come on here saying 11:59. Now you say working hour. Working hour not before o'clock.
See, I say, look, Oga Igabari, I want to make you get me right.
Allow him land.
Get me right.
Working hours 11:59.
Get me right. I say, as long as we still get from now to 11:59.
Now, too much you don't talk to this. Now, you first tell us say before September ending.
Thank you.
Before that one, I don't feel for that one. Now they tell us you on your own Ukubi, you tell us say 11:59. Now they tell us say working hour. Now 11:59 you close your work. So make it not be like say like what in the Ogatuko talk. So monkey handle enter this thing.
Thank you.
So we don't understand this matter. Anyway, we leave everything for God. We won't rule this country. We can rule us. And that other man he called for worry. Therefore worry in the same when he say they get light. Therefore worry the man is say make the man call, make he tell us because now worry me they call you from now. Light, no, they still they pay the tariff.
If I say the man don't say light no day.
So I don't understand this kind of government on the make a leave for other callers to come.
Okay, Gabari, thank you very, very much. What is that caller from Warri tell about like say he talk say then they get light. Now what did he talk?
Say but now for the past about 3 weeks. Say lights don't they?
Okay. Thank you very much.
See,
I want to make you get me right. See, I know say like Nigerians collectively they want this thing. No doubt. Myself, the same way they want them. Myself want them. No, we say we all want these ministerialists may come out. But I want if there are say okay, they still want to try finish up and plan so that they will feel release them before the day runs out. No, they're not that for me. No, they're not that for me. I want them to give me bring issue, bro. No, they're not. I don't want that.
Not be my head that they not.
No, they're not that for me.
Now your own head.
Now I talk and they talk.
Okay, continue your talk. Allow me to do my head. I want to do it.
What now they talk? We say.
Allow me to end this program. We will continue. Today, I'm ready for you. I go come out suit. Just they wait. Our people when they for us, we always they talk and say Nigeria and our country, go spoil. Make all of us join our hand together to move this our country forward. Make una remember, we must continue to the talk and the demand for more. Show yourself.
Carry that cap.
Which cap?
No. Carry that.
Do it. Allow me to come my suit. Allow me to come my suit. Allow me to come my suit. No, come on the suit. Wait.
No, come on the suit.
Don't spoil my suit.
No, we'll fight the fight.
Not before front of. Can you come on the suit now?
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.